Hello, Langtree Lions, and welcome to the 2019-2020 school year. My name is Melanie Keeter, and I am one of the curriculum resource teachers here this year. Today, I'm going to show you a video to help you with reading your schedule for this year. This year, we went to block scheduling with 4 blocks of 90-minute instruction. This means that with our ELA and math classes, we get to extend every single day for 90-minute blocks. This is really going to help you as you get ready to enter high school next year. You'll have your science and social studies classes on an A-day, B-day schedule for also 90 minutes. Electives will be a little bit different. Still following the A-day, B-day schedule, they will be divided into 2 45-minute sections. So you will go to one elective for 45 minutes on A-day and another elective for 45 minutes on A-day. And then B-day, you will see another pair of electives for 45 minutes in the first section and 45 minutes in the second section. Let's go through the schedule right now and look at each of these pieces carefully so that you can help those around you and yourself understand this schedule for the 2019-2020 school year. If you look at the top of your schedule, you should see the words period, term, course, teacher, and room number. And then down, you will see the period numbers, and that will help you understand what time each of your classes is. Here is a chart with A-day, B-day to help you pinpoint exactly where you're going for each class. We're going to start with first block for this student's schedule. Period 1 and 2 will be the first block that you go to every single day. Period 1 and 2 will also be where you start Success in Homeroom. For this schedule, we see the numbers 1, 2, and 21, 22. That's because this is an ELA class, which means we will meet every day for 90 minutes. So you will see ELA for period 1, block 1, A-day, and B-day. Let's look at this student's schedule for period 3 and 4. This is the student's second block class on A-day. And on this schedule, the student will go to social studies. Following the numbers down to 23 and 24, you'll notice how they match, 3, 4, 23, 24. This student will go to science on B days for 90 minutes during second block. So A days will be social studies and B days will be science for 90 minutes. The 8th grader's third period is the numbers 5, 6, and 25, 26. You'll notice how those also follow a pattern. This is their third block class, and it has 5, 6, and 25, 26 because, like before, math and English language arts will go every single day for 90 minutes on A-day and B-day. The 8th graders will have electives the last block of the day. You will see on their schedule the numbers 7, 8 for A-day and 27, 28 for B-day. So for this schedule, the student will report to PE for the first 45 minutes of electives on every single A-day. The student will take their second 45 minutes in their Intro to Computer class on A-day, 4th block. In terms of their B-day elective, we will look at the 27 and the 28. this is still fourth block. On B Day, they'll go to their first 45 minutes in engineering, and then they'll go to Spanish 1 for their second 45 minutes on B Day. So for electives, you'll look for 7-8 for A Day and 27-28 for B Day. I hope that you have been able to understand this schedule a little bit more through this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Welcome back and have a wonderful school year. Thanks for watching.